Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you've been looking to upgrade your car with a modern, high-tech rear-view mirror that doubles as a dual dash cam, then you need to check this out. Today we're reviewing the AUTO-VOX V5PRO, a sleek, OEM-style 9.35-inch mirror dash cam that brings 1080p recording, night vision, and a crystal clear display to any vehicle. Let's start with the design. The V5PRO doesn't look like an add-on. It mounts directly onto your existing mirror mount, replacing your stock mirror with a stunning full laminated, ultra-thin touchscreen. It's stylish, OEM grade, and blends in seamlessly with your car's interior. Once it's installed, it feels like it came with your car from the factory. On the front, you've got a 1080p wide-angle dashcam capturing everything ahead, while the rear backup camera delivers a clear, glare-free view of what's behind you even in low light. The super night vision technology ensures sharp footage at night without overexposure from headlights. The display itself is a 9.35-inch anti-glare touchscreen, making it easy to swipe between views, access playback, or toggle settings on the go. It's super responsive, even in hot or cold conditions. One feature I love is the reverse assist function. When you shift into reverse, the rear camera feed automatically appears on screen with parking guidelines, turning your mirror into a high-resolution backup cam that eliminates blind spots. Unlike most dash cams that stick to your windshield or clutter your dashboard, the V5PRO is mounted cleanly and discreetly, with no dangling wires or adhesive mess. It even supports loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and parking monitoring, so your vehicle is protected even when parked. And yes, installation is totally DIY friendly. It includes all the mounts and wiring you'll need, and there's no hard wiring required unless you want 24/7 parking surveillance. Bottom line, the AUTO-VOX V5PRO is a fantastic upgrade for anyone who wants a smarter, cleaner, and more capable driving experience. You get the benefits of a dual dash cam, backup camera, and smart mirror display all in one. Tap the link in the description for today's best pricing. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit that bell for more game-changing auto tech reviews.